Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best 3D printer that will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. Tired of slow 3D printers that take forever to finish even simple models? Or dealing with prints that fail halfway because of poor leveling or weak extrusion? If you want fast, large, and reliable 3D printing without constant tweaking, this might be exactly what you need. Meet the ELEGOO Neptune 4 Plus, a high-speed 3D printer built for large-scale prints, precision, and serious performance. Ultra-fast printing speed up to 500 mm per second, way faster than typical printers. 300 degrees Celsius high-temp nozzle, supports advanced filaments like PTG, ABS, and more. Large build volume, 320 by 320 by 385 mm, perfect for big projects or batch printing. Auto bed leveling system, saves time and improves print success. Direct drive extruder, better control for flexible and detailed prints. Powerful clipper firmware, smoother motion and faster processing. Solid metal frame, stable and durable during high-speed printing. Pros: extremely fast compared to most printers. Large build size equals more creative freedom. Great print quality with minimal tuning. Strong and stable construction. Cons: slightly bulky, needs more desk space. Can be a bit noisy at high speeds. Beginners may need some setup learning. This printer is perfect for creators making large models or prototypes. Hobbyists upgrading from basic printers. Small businesses needing fast production. Not ideal if you want something super compact or beginner plug and play. At around $332, the Neptune 4 Plus offers incredible value for its speed, size, and features, making it one of the best budget high-performance 3D printers right now. Number 4. Meet the Bambu Lab A1 Mini, a compact, high-speed 3D printer designed for easy setup, precision printing, and multicolor creativity. Multicolor printing support, create vibrant models with multiple filaments. High-speed performance, fast printing without sacrificing quality. Full auto calibration, no manual tuning needed, beginner-friendly. Active flow rate compensation, ensures consistent, accurate extrusion. Ultra-quiet operation, 48 dB, perfect for home or office use. Quick setup in just 20 minutes, start printing almost instantly. Compact and lightweight design, 8.1 kilograms, easy to place anywhere. Pros: extremely easy to use, great for beginners. Multicolor printing is a big advantage. Quiet operation compared to most printers. Excellent print quality and consistency. Cons: smaller build volume, not ideal for large models. Multicolor setup may require extra accessories. Less customizable than advanced/pro level printers. This printer is perfect for beginners and students starting with 3D printing. Creators who want multicolor prints easily. Home users needing a quiet, compact printer. Not ideal for users who need large-scale printing. Typically priced in the mid-range budget category, the A1 Mini delivers premium features like auto-calibration and multicolor printing, making it a high-value choice for beginners and casual creators. Number 3. Meet the ANYCUBIC Photon Mono M7 Max, a large-format 7K resin 3D printer built for ultra-detailed prints and high-volume production. 13.6-inch 7K mono LCD delivers ultra-sharp details and smooth surfaces. Large print volume, 11.8 inches by 11.7 inches by 6.5 inches, perfect for big models or batch printing. COB Light Turbo 3.0 system, even light distribution for better curing accuracy. Dynamic heating system, maintains optimal resin temperature for consistent results. Flip open cover design, easy access and improved workflow. High-speed resin printing, faster layer curing with strong precision. Durable build, ABS plus aluminum plus polycarbonate, stable and long-lasting. Pros: exceptional detail quality, perfect for miniatures and models. Large resin build area, rare at this level. Improved print consistency with heating system. User-friendly design with easy access. Cons. Resin printing requires more cleanup and safety care. Heavier and bulkier than most printers. Resin cost is higher than filament, FDM. Not ideal for beginners. This printer is perfect for artists creating high-detail miniatures and figurines, professionals needing precision models, dental, jewelry, etc. Small businesses doing batch resin production. Not recommended for beginners or users who want simple plug-and-play printing. At around $649.99, this printer offers premium 7K resolution and large resin capacity, making it a great value for professionals and serious hobbyists who need both size and precision in one machine. Number 2. Meet the hefty 3D Tina 2 Mini, a compact, beginner-friendly 3D printer designed for kids and first-time users. Fully assembled out of the box, no setup required. Auto bed leveling, hassle-free printing for beginners. Resume printing function continues after power loss. Removable magnetic build plate, easy print removal. Open source system allows learning and customization. Ultra compact and lightweight, 2.58 kilograms, perfect for desks or small spaces. Quiet and safe operation, great for home and kids. Pros. Super easy to use, perfect for beginners. Plug and play experience. Compact and portable design. Affordable price point. Cons. Very small build volume. Limited advanced features. Not suitable for large or complex projects. Slower compared to high-end printers. This printer is perfect for kids and students learning 3D printing. Beginners who want a simple, stress-free start. Home users with limited space. Not ideal for professionals or large-scale printing needs. At around $169.99, the Tina 2 Mini offers great value for beginners, especially with its fully assembled design and auto-leveling, making it one of the easiest entry-level 3D printers available. Number 1. Meet the FlashForge Adventurer 5M, a high-speed Core XY 3D printer designed for both beginners and advanced users who want fast, reliable results. Ultra-fast printing up to 600 mm per second, one of the fastest in its class. Fully automatic bed leveling, no manual calibration needed. Core XY motion system delivers smoother, more precise prints. 280 degrees Celsius quick detach nozzle, easy maintenance and supports multiple materials. Wide filament compatibility, PLA, PTG, TPU, and carbon fiber variants. Smart design for beginners and pros, easy UI with powerful performance. Sturdy build and compact footprint, stable yet space efficient. Pros. Extremely fast printing speeds. Great print quality with Core XY system. Easy to maintain with detachable nozzle. Beginner friendly but still powerful. Cons. Needs enclosure for ABS/ASA materials. Slightly noisy at max speed. Smaller build volume compared to large format printers. This printer is perfect for beginners who want easy setup plus high speed. Hobbyists looking for better performance without high cost. Home users needing a compact but powerful printer. Not ideal for users needing very large prints or fully enclosed printing out of the box. At around $238.99, the Adventurer 5M delivers top-tier speed and Core XY precision at a budget price, making it one of the best value high-speed 3D printers available right now. If you want fast, high-quality 3D printing without spending a fortune, this is a solid choice. Check the link in the description for the latest price. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more tech reviews.